Hello everybody, Stockmaster Talk here with GoldMedalPennyStocks.com doing a stock chart video analysis of DIGP, that's DigiPath Corporation. Our last trading day was Tuesday, December 2nd. We saw a previous close of 0.0345 and we closed up last at 0.035. That's an increase of plus 1.45% on a volume of 184,612 shares. DIGP opened up at a nice strong 0.038, saw a high of 0.04 before closing up at 0.035. I would like to see us test that resistance again, break through it, and use it as our support over the next coming days and weeks ahead, as we see a lot of these indicators start to make a nice tip up towards bullish signals. So let's get started first with our 14-day RSI. It's at 30.52. Nice place to be. We are finally above that 30, which is good, and I'd like to see us moving up continuously here. We have, like I said, crossed above that 30, and like to see us continue to move up towards that 50. Crossing over that would be the strongest bullish indicator. This does move pretty fast. You see some good movement on the PBS and other indicators here, so I'd like to see this move on. Volume has been great recently, so I don't see this going to be much of a problem. Down here on the daily charts, we have some strong support right around that 0.03. And I'm going to put that up here for you right here. This is a nice strong support. Let's see that continue to hold. Hopefully break through that and break through that 12-day EMA at 0.4. Use that as our support. Otherwise, we do have our parabolic SIR, those little red dots underneath the candlesticks right now. A really great thing to see here. We have come down quite some time, but we hit rock bottom right there. We're starting to come back up. I'd like to see this continue on. A lot of these indicators are signaling that we are going to see this continue to move up. So let's take a look at our MACD line, looking good. We crossed over back in November right before we hit that bottom. I'd like to see this continue to move up. We are getting really close to that zero line. Love to see a crossover. That signal line being underneath our actual MACD line is always a good thing to see. And furthermore, Trix is one of my favorite indicators here, especially on a low price stock here. The 15-day Trix looking great. We have seen this reversal in our movement. We have finally leveled out and we're getting really close to that signal line. I'd like to see a crossover of that. Not only are we seeing a bullish indicator right now with the change in direction, but we're also going to see a big strong buy indicator when that crosses over the signal line. So if you're more of a long-term share, I do have a 30 Trix here for you to look at. This one too is coming to a gradual decline in its inclination, if you know what I mean here. It comes out, it's looking like it's starting to level, so I can see that continue to do so over the next couple days. And as ahead, slow stochastics looking good, crossed over the signal line as well as the bottom line there. It's at 22.17, so to show some strength. Love this. It's been nice and gradual. And that's what's good to see. I like nice and slow. That shows that there's some support there. There's a good foundation. It's continuing to build it up. So CCI is at negative 54.6, continuing to move favorably here, moving up towards that zero line. I'd like to see us cross above that, get some positive here over the next couple days. But overall, I'm pretty excited about the way the CCI is looking in terms of the rest of the chart. Stochastic RSI also looking great. 14-day moving average. Since this one moves so sporadically, we like to have a 14-day moving average, kind of help level it out and see what we're looking at. We did bottom out back in when was this? Back in October. So we did I like that we came back up, recovered, and we've seen this 14-day moving average slowly cross back above that 0.5 and move up towards the 0.8 area. Very bullish indicator indeed. Let's check in money flow. As you can see, we did have some pretty steep losses over the last over this past year, but we have hit the bottom there and we have started to see recovery. So I do like that this check in money flow is starting to move back up again. It's at 0.691. Hopefully this will continue on. This volume continues to play well, and we see some favorable movement in the PPS. ADX line showing us that we are still in a downtrend. However, what I do like is that the ADX line itself is making a decline. It's at 41.46 still, but it is so it is still relevant. However, we are seeing that lose its relevancy, and hopefully that positive DI will come back up and cross over that DI anytime soon. PVO, not too bad. We're at negative 1.44, or let me correct that, 13.68 there, and we're seeing this look pretty nice here. We're seeing it get pretty close to that that center line. I'd like to see this recover nice and slowly here. We are seeing this gradual move up. So as long as we're hitting higher lows, that's all I'm happy with. Hopefully see a reversal of this pretty soon. And I don't see why it wouldn't happen. Money flow index looking good, making an increase here, 33.39. Once again, gradual increase, looking great. I love that about these stocks. Everything's looking really good. So accumulation distribution, now as you saw up there, we were seeing some pretty steep declines in our PPS over the last year. That led to a drop in our accumulation distribution chart, but we have hit bottom and we have seen some higher volume. That's letting us know that the accumulation is starting to rise up again. We're starting to get good investors down here at the entry point and a good strong foundation. On balance volume is also on the move up, so everything all in all is looking really good for DIGP. I'm really anxious to see what's going to happen over the next couple of days. I'd love to see this one continue move on. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to take a look at them. Subscribe to our mailer at www.GoldMedalPennyStocks.com. You can get some more information about DIGP, some other stocks. Really like seeing you. So come on over and join us on Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and best of luck in the markets tomorrow.